Organic cleaning agents. Introduction. Organic cleaning products are becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to reduce their exposure to harsh chemicals and protect the environment. Organic cleaning products are made from natural, plant-based ingredients that are free from synthetic chemicals and toxins. In this article, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of organic cleaning products, as well as some of the most commonly used organic cleaning ingredients. Benefits of organic cleaning products. One of the main benefits of organic cleaning products is that they are safer for the environment. Traditional cleaning products often contain chemicals that can harm the environment, including rivers, lakes, and wildlife. Organic cleaning products are made from natural, renewable resources and are biodegradable, meaning they break down into harmless substances when they are disposed of. Another advantage of organic cleaning products is that they are safer for human health. Traditional cleaning products often contain synthetic chemicals that can cause skin irritation, respiratory problems, and other health issues. Organic cleaning products, on the other hand, are made from natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin and do not emit harmful fumes. Drawbacks of organic cleaning products. While organic cleaning products have many advantages, they also have some drawbacks. One of the main drawbacks is that they can be more expensive than traditional cleaning products. This is because organic ingredients are often more expensive to produce than synthetic chemicals. Another drawback of organic cleaning products is that they may not be as effective as traditional cleaning products. This is because organic ingredients are often less potent than synthetic chemicals and may require more effort to clean effectively. Common organic cleaning ingredients. There are many different organic cleaning ingredients that are commonly used in cleaning products. Some of the most popular ingredients include vinegar. Vinegar is a natural acid that is effective at removing grime and stains from surfaces. It is also a natural disinfectant, making it a popular ingredient in cleaning products. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that can be used to clean surfaces and remove odors. It is also effective at breaking down grease and grime. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural acid that is effective at removing stains and disinfecting surfaces. It is also a natural deodorizer, making it a popular ingredient in cleaning products. Castile soap. Castile soap is a natural soap made from vegetable oils. It is effective at cleaning surfaces and removing dirt and grime. Organic cleaning products for specific uses. Organic cleaning products can be used for a variety of specific cleaning needs. Here are some examples. Laundry detergent. Organic laundry detergents are made from natural, plant-based ingredients that are safe for the environment and gentle on clothes. They are free from synthetic fragrances, dyes, and preservatives, which can irritate the skin and cause allergic reactions. Organic laundry detergents can be found in both liquid and powder forms and are effective at removing dirt and stains from clothes. Dish soap. Organic dish soaps are made from natural ingredients like plant-based surfactants and essential oils. They are free from synthetic fragrances, dyes, and preservatives, which can be harmful to the environment and irritate the skin. Organic dish soaps are effective at removing grease and food residue from dishes and are safe for use on all types of dishes,